What's up everyone? Today, I'm going to try to explain to you what blockchain technology is as simply as I can. First things first, let's talk about what blockchain is not. Blockchain is not Bitcoin. They are two different things, but due to the popularity of Bitcoin, blockchain has become a bit of a buzzword, hence some of the confusion. Secondly, blockchain has absolutely nothing to do with physical blocks and chains. Those things can be found on another part of the internet. Anyway, blockchain is actually a type of technology. It's essentially a newer way to record things digitally. It's also evolving, so the blockchain technology underlying current cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin might look different to the blockchain technology underlying future projects. Blockchain, or the blockchain, is kind of like a database. And that just means it's a bunch of organized information. Using the Bitcoin blockchain as an example, this blockchain currently holds all the transactions that have ever occurred on the network and at what time they occurred. It's essentially just a record of transactions. You might think, what's so new about this? Hasn't this already been done? Didn't our great-great-great-great-great-grandparents record their financial comings and goings? And you'd be right, they did. But they did it far less securely, with a lot more labor and far less trust. In the past, information was written in giant books, kind of like the ones Gandalf and Jack Sparrow's dad like using. These were called ledgers, and ledgers had to be updated manually every single time someone paid or received money. You can imagine the struggle. And then we started getting better at math and stuff, and then some guy created a computer. And before you knew it, we could start to record this information digitally. Now we could update transactions more efficiently, but at the end of the day, these ledgers could still be forged and tampered with, because they were basically in the control of whoever had possession of them. Churches, banks, governments, whoever had control of the ledger could decide what was written or unwritten. And some people would say that it's still like this currently. If you don't believe me, go ask your government or bank to show you details of where they spend your money, just to see if it adds up to where they tell you it's being spent. Going back to Jack Sparrow's dad, we can all see what happened when someone decided to contest what was written in his ledger. But anyway, let's come back to now. Blockchain technology is a way of recording information in a way that is transparent and unable to be tampered with or deleted. With blockchain technology, no company, government, or individual can steal your money, take possession of your property, or in fact claim ownership to anything that is yours if it is recorded on the blockchain. It doesn't matter if you are Madara Uchiha or Lord Voldemort himself, you are going to have a tough time messing with the information on the blockchain. Now there are a few reasons for this, and I will go through them in future videos. But at the moment, the main reason you need to know why it's so hard to mess with the blockchain is because it is decentralized. And all this word means is that instead of information being stored in underground servers by the likes of Facebook, Google, Amazon, and the other 21st century gods, information is actually stored on a network of computers so that no one can make any changes without the rest of the network agreeing to it. And if one computer becomes compromised or is destroyed, the information is still safe and secure on all of the others. Now, this is just a very basic understanding of what blockchain technology is. So in future videos, I will go into a little bit more detail. I'll explain to you how blockchain technology actually works, its use cases, its advantages and disadvantages, and we'll even go through some useful terms such as hashing and mining. If you want to see those videos and put a smile on a young YouTuber's face, please like this video, comment any questions that you have, and if you can, please subscribe with the bell thingy on so you can get notified for the next video. So to recap, blockchain is an evolving technology that records information. It stores information in a way that everyone can see it. It stores information in a way that cannot be deleted or tampered with. The info on it is not controlled by one person or organization. The info is spread across heaps of computers, not isolated in one place. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. In my next video, we're gonna have a look at how blockchain technology actually works. But for the moment, just try wrap your head around this stuff. Stay safe and happy. I'll see you guys then.